Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And I've got the privilege of showing you this brand new Harris Solstice 230. Got a lot of room back here on the swim platform. JL Audio sound system with speakers here in the transom. Good area for the kids to run and jump off of and play. This is Mercury's new engine model. So the styling here, easy access to check your oil or add it if you need. Goes back in really easy. This is the center walkthrough, dual helm layout. It's got the sport tower there, can tow and wakeboard from right here. You've got the double bolsters on both sides, which is really nice. Got a huge Simrad display there. It's gonna have your navigation, engine data, gallons per hour, depth sounder, what's underneath, everything that you need. Great spot here to hold your phone. Great place for beverages and even more up here. Here's that JL Audio head unit. Great in-floor storage. Lots of seating and room for guests, kids, or family. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. My number's 573-606-3029. And again, this is Jansen with MarineMax. Make sure to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.